It's not bigger or what you said. Oh, that guy's gone. No, you're an outcast.
We have a pause in the competition. There's a flag on the play.
Why does there do that? I don't get it.
I think the wheels just get wound up.
That might have been an exercise in futility.
The motor is stuck in. The motor's stuck in forward.
I kind of have a feeling that that robot has something wrong with it. But that's what we want.
Yeah. So I should start like smoking.
Some fucking eagle.
Do it!
Oh my god. Okay. And they're stuck again. That's just embarrassing.
Stuck every time because I suck at this.
That's just embarrassing. Oh, it's not even turning on.
Because there's motors always just like oh, bro, that's the boss one. They're actually really good. So they got second and third in the
There we go. Why didn't you just do that in the front?
All right, we back ready to go again?
Did I turn it back on?
Take a look, see? Put that safety in. Remember, Mr. Ludwig knows if he wears his safety glasses, safety is no accident. We're going to do a quick countdown here. 3, 2, 1, continue fighting.
There we go. Yes.
My hero, boy!
I got it.
Oh!
Oh, we may have an incapacitated robot.
Mike.
Toss it. No, that's big.
All right, we're going to call this over. 3, 2, 1.